Hey everyone, BJ Chorus here for Shout Out for Cause. We're on the red carpet tonight here at the Four Seasons Hotel in Westlake Village, all in celebration of Denim, Diamonds, and Stars. And we're here tonight with
Coby Bird, lovely to meet you.
Coby. It sounds like you're going to be a star tonight because you're performing, right?
That's true.
Tell us a little bit about this evening. Why autism is one of those causes you want to give a shout out for a cause?
Well, I have autism myself, and you know, I kind of want to. I'm an advocate with autism, and I also want to, and I'm also willing to advocate for people for autism who are doing jobs like acting and everything. So I'm just I'm really glad to be here. So,
Wonderful. Now, what will you be performing?
Actually, it'll be a surprise. I don't want to get about anything.
Okay.
Surprise,
We'll have to catch up, and we'll just steal some of your reel and put it in from you performing. You know, this is Lucky 13 for Denim, Diamonds, and Stars, and we're going to wish you luck for this night.
Oh, thank you.
Lucky
Thank
13. Well, we can follow you on social media by going to...
Oh yes. So Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Follow me by the Coby Bird.
There you go, folks, and learn more about Denim, Diamonds, and Stars, and give your shout out for a cause by going to Denim, Diamonds, and Stars for Autism.net. This is BJ Chorus as
Coby Bird.
and this is Shout Out for a Cause.